The apprentice helmet.
So the welder's coming tomorrow. We gotta get this thing ready to go. I'm gonna beef up the jig a little bit, a lot of it. We gotta get the bushings figured out so they're nice and square when they go on the airplane. What else? I elected not to try to weld this thing myself. I'm not a certified welder. I don't have a ton of experience of welding. So the welder I found to come weld this thing up is a welder for the world's leading aerial application aircraft production company, if you can deduce what company that is. He's a great dude. He's been helping me out a lot working on this thing. So he's gonna come weld this thing up for me. So he's gonna come weld. Oh! So we gotta get to work. Zulu, we have to get to work. Let's do it! Alright, so these are the support channels that we're making for the Grove Gear mod. This is 090 steel sheet metal. We put the bends in it on the brake so that the inner diameter is 7/8, and the longeron is going to slide right in there like that. What we need to do now is notch this out for the cross members and for the flying wire bracket. Okie dokie. So we're cutting this out here, and we're cutting these out here. Yeah, buddy! Got these two things made. Cross members through these notches. Flying wire bracket comes out through there.
Yeah, I got an impact room. Oh, yeah.
More jigs. These are the bushings. Make a jig so that the bushings are going to be perpendicular, laterally, vertically, and forward and aft. They're the correct distance apart, and the two blocks are square on each other. So this is the new jig that I made for the fuselage so that the jig for the bushings can bolt up to it. I just beefed up the slots where the jig holds the fuselage in place. Put it on a frame instead of having two individual ones. The slots I cut allowed for the bushing jig to fall into place and be held roughly where it needs to be. The frame jig can get held in place while the frame is being welded up. Once everything's tacked, we can really remove the jig, double check the measurements, and go ahead and finish welding. Okay, the jig's made, the support channels are made, the bushing jig thing is made. He's gonna come tomorrow. We're gonna get some welding done on this thing. It's gonna be good. Big day coming up. That's it.